Okay, this is Jill.
Hi.
Hi, Jill. This is the before the makeup.
Yep.
This is Dawn, the makeup artist.
Hi.
Okay, now we're gonna apply some very light makeup for a casual photo shoot.
You went into the kitchen cupboard, got yourself another hour, and you gave half of it to me. We sat there looking at the faces of the strangers in the pages till we knew mathematically they were in our minds until forever. But we didn't mind, we didn't know better. So we made our own computer out of macaroni pieces, and it did our thinking while we lived our lives. It counted up our feelings and divided them up even, and it called our calculation perfect love. Didn't even know that love was bigger. Didn't even know that love was so, hey, 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 this fire, it's burning, burning us up. Hey, this fire, it's burning, burning us up. Ooh, ooh. So we made the hard decision, and we each made an incision past our muscles and our bones. Our hearts were little stones.